Well, I don't have a campfire, so I was going to do a campfire coffee chat, but it'll just be campfire coffee chat minus the fire. Put up the green screen in the pottery studio, so I have more room and more control now. So last time I did that in the motorhome, it was hard trying to make it work. Just not enough room in there. I had to sit too close to the green screen. To get rid of the shadows and all that. So, but last night during the live stream, somebody came in that his name's Ryan. I can't remember exactly what his channel was now. But anyway, he was one of my original friends when I first started camping, and being off grid and all that. I learned a lot from him. He's a pretty good guy. So yeah, I was pretty surprised. We haven't even hardly talked to each other for a few years. So I don't know what, 4 years or so. Anyway, we had a nice little chat last night. Had lots of fun, and he kind of got off the road. He's got himself some property up there in the Sholo area in Arizona, and he put a container on there, and he's building out his tiny house. So he invited me to come and see what the progress is, and boy, I think I'm just going to do that in the springtime. He said it's always good weather up there, but well, it's just cold. I think I was saying a couple of videos ago, a few years ago, I'd stand in waist deep snow to do a video, but boy, not anymore. I don't like the snow. So anyway, yeah, I might be just going up there and spending a few days or a few weeks or something with him up there. That might be fun. It's got a puppy dog out there. Her name's Ginger. What a dog. Very loyal, very loyal puppy dog. He's got a little training collar that she wears, and when she gets too far, he pushes the button. And I guess when he first got it, there's 2 stages. I think it beeps, and if she doesn't pay attention to that, then it gives her just a little small wake-up jolt. And but now she's pretty well trained on the beep, so that's a good thing. But boy, she's an off-grid dog, I can tell you that. She loves it up there, chasing squirrels around and all that. So, so the weather's been it's been cold at night and starting to get a little bit warm in the daytime. In this tin shed, it gets pretty warm quickly. So it's going to be interesting to see what it does when it really gets warm outside. But well, hopefully I'll be in the mountains by then. So. Yeah, making arrangements. I'm going to try to get a trailer, if I can find one, to put all the studio stuff in, the potting wheel and all that, all the supplies, the clay, and all that. Take it with me. It might be fun to sit up there in the forest and do the pottery. I think CTAP was saying, the deer and elk hanging out just within the trees, looking and see what the heck I'm doing. So, mostly what's going on is the pottery. I'm getting a little bit better at it, but I'm still having trouble. It's just going to take some time. I made a little bowl, I guess you could call it. Started out to be a cup, turned out to be a bowl. A Lilly treat bowl. I get it. Hang on. So that's it. Pretty small. Like I said, it was supposed to be a coffee cup, but I keep getting tears in it on the sides, so I have to cut that part out, and this makes it shorter. So I got it trimmed up today. And I will leave it sit and dry for 10 or 12 days, and then I'll see about trying to find a kiln. I got a couple of other things that I've made that I don't even want to show those. So to get them fired at least, I'm still working on pulling a wall for a coffee cup. So I got one promised already. So as soon as I get that done, then we'll get that sent out. So like I was saying, it's just kind of a coffee chat, a ramble today, and there's not a whole lot going on. The shed is there's 2 leaks in it. I've got to get that fixed. Just minor little bitty drips when it rains hard. So one's in a corner, and it's not out in the middle anywhere, so that's a good thing. But still, I need to get that fixed. I put water seal on the floor, a couple of coats of that on there, so I'm good there. And so what else? Not a whole lot going on. I guess that's it. I'll talk to you later.